So hello and everyone guys. So today's vlog start from this mill. I have some mill and I am going to take it towards river. Guys, when I was at home I use the word towards. Do you guys know what does it mean? Actually that means if you want to go anywhere and you don't want to mention the fixed destination, and that's when in that case you can use towards. Like अगर मैं जाना चाहता हूँ नदी की ओर, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं नदी ही जाना चाह रहा हूँ, मतलब नदी के तट पर ही जाना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं ज़रूरी नहीं है, हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे मेरा एक खेत है वही जाना चाह रहा हूँ और एक्चुअल में मैं वही जाना चाह रहा हूँ, इसलिए टूवर्ड्स रिवर, ठीक है, नदी की ओर। जरूरी नहीं कि मैं नदी जा रहा हूँ, हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे मेरा फसल है वहाँ पे जाने वाला हो, ठीक है। तो इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज टूवर्ड्स। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टूवर्ड्स रिवर, लाइक सो एज यू कैन सी। बाय द वे आई हैव स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग बिकॉज समवन वाज वाचिंग मी, दैट इज व्हाई बिकॉज ऑफ आई feel shy, that's why I stop recording. But now again I start, and as you can see I have some mill in my left hand. And now you might be wondering, Nakul, don't you get water? So I would say today is the work that I am going to do. So it's the work like today we are going to watering the plants of corn, right? I mean today we are going to water the corn farm, right? So that is why we don't need water. So I will get automatically water from my machine, right? In my back pocket of my pant I get a tumbler so that my brother can drink water from it, right? Actually this meal for my brother, as you can see. And now I have come in my crop, as you can see. This is my potato crop, as you can see. And today I also have to water them, right? As you can see. Wow, how lovely looking, like. And this is a machine that you can see. As you can see, it's already started. But now I am going to teach you some English sentences related to machine. If I would like to say kya pu. But now you might be a question related to machine that you might thought that Nakul, do you know how to start machine? Then here I would say yes, I know how to start machine. But I also have a question. Do you know? If yes, please let us know in the comment below. So guys, here finally I have come into my destination, as you can see. And so this is my corn crop where I give water, as you can see. So it's lovely looking, isn't it? So I am going to show you a ton of corn crops, as you can see. My background, if you want to see behind me, as you can see, there are multiple type of, or I can say there are ton of corn crops you will get to see at this time, right? So as you can see, now I am going to show you through the rear camera. So this crops bit is about to fill, as you can see, and there are left, but here is so, and the place where the water couldn't reach, so that's where I have to reach, right? So I am going to reach the water and I am going to pick up the water one dish and I am going to put it on the plants, right? In this way, as you can see, it's a high place and it's very difficult to grow the water, so that's why I try to reach it, right? And I am going to show you here. Here is dry salt and I am going to wet it, right? It's wet. I have to wet it all the crops in my farm, as you can see. Yes, it's like this. If I did not give the water here, the plants was about to die, as you can see. Because of the lack of water, the plant was about to die. So hello guys, yes, today is very sunny day. It means today is very sunny day. I mean it's very difficult to stay in the sun. So that is why I come into the tree shadow. As you can see, I come into the tree shadow to stay fit and nice. As you can see, it's a shadow. I'm inside the shadow of the tree, as you can see. So I am going to show you a crops that I had given water yesterday. See, this is the crop, and as you can see, do you know what this is called in English? And you also call it a baby plant, as you can see. It's very nice to see, right? So now I am going to show you a row which I had forgot to put the seeds on it, as you can see. By the way, if you have watched my previous video, I mentioned there that I have forgot to put seeds in it, right? So as you can see, this is the corn crops that I had given water yesterday, as you can see. So as you can see, by the way, as you can see, it's a dry salt and also it mix sand. As you can see, it's mixed sand. So that is why it took too much time to fill water in it, right? As you can see. Guys, now I am going to show you one thing, but here I would say please don't mind, because now I am going to show you. Just take a look. So as you can see, I have rolled up my sleeves of my legs. As you can see, I have rolled up my sleeve in order to protect from the water. So that is why I rolled up. Guys, now I have come to the potatoes crop. As you can see, to water them. As you can see, now I am watering it. So as you can say, guys, here I want to show you one thing. So if you have watched my previous, I'm going to show you one thing. So this is, I did not know its name, what this is called in English, but now I know. It's called in English hoe, H-O-E, hoe. Hoe means kudal. But in American, if you also want to know that what this is called in American you can call it a shovel, right? Shovel field. So now I have to move the next one. As you can see, there is water is coming in a slow speed, not much. So as you can see, the water is coming in this row. So move to the next one. Yeah. Actually, I wanted to brought a pipe, but instead of pipe, I brought this shovel. As you can see, but I know it happen anytime. Then okay, I put the shovel here, and now I am going to again to get a pipe here. As you can see. I am watering the bamboo. As you can see, guys, सबसे तेज बढ़ने वाला पौधा, that is called bamboo. So everywhere is done to watering the crops, but just left to watering the bamboo. That is where my brother is watering the bamboo. As you can see, guys, today is the very sunny day, but this morning it's foggy. So finally my work is done, but now here I have come here in a garden. As you can see, it's not a garden, actually it's a crop, right? But it's pretty looking, so that's why I thought I take a selfie. I mean to say, I have come here to take some selfie. So now I want you to please subscribe to my channel and like too. Yes, because if you like this video, then I feel motivated, and if you subscribe as well as, then I feel more motivated. So that's why I want you to please done it. So that's all for today. Bye bye.